Hi, my name is Charles Valentino. This is for my project for cop3643, and so we're going to go ahead and get started with the parts that I have. First, we have the Asus motherboard. Here you have the video card slots, a couple expansion slots here, and you have the memory slots there, and here's the two memory card memory sticks that I have. They're both, let's see, both 2 gig. Here is processor. It's gonna put it back in there. It's a Core Duo 3 gig processor, and here's the fan with a heatsink. As of right now, the CPU fan is already attached to the motherboard for the power. Alright, and here's our hard drive. This is going to be the housing for the hard drive. It's going to be having a fan in the front. Here is our DVD drive, and this is going to be our video card, wireless network card, and here is a power supply for the 850 watts worth of power capacity. And here is the case that we're going to be using. It's going to have a couple cables in there, a couple of fans, and a couple of other connections right up there on the top, hence the cables. And down here, that's going to be the clip for the front panel, and those are the side panels. Alright, so first I'm going to go ahead and put the processor just drops in. Put that thing down and snap into place. And then I'm going to put the CPU fan. It's going to have that thermal compound there, because for the heatsink it's going to be touching the actual processor. I had a bit of a problem trying to stick that fan in there. Now that it's in, we're gonna make sure it's secure. That's in place. I'm going to go ahead and put the memory in as well. You can see it's going to have those grooves there, and that pretty much will direct you on how to put it in. This general rule of thumb when putting stuff together, if it doesn't fit, it's probably not supposed to go that way. So that's on there. Now we're going to go ahead and put the cables out of the way on the case. And going to install this onto the case itself. Properly align it, and then we're going to screw it in. It takes a while to put all these screws in, but we're getting it done. Alright, so I'm going to plug all these in as well for now. So that's for the USB ports on top of the case. and it's gonna be labeled here as well. You can see it, USB. So we're gonna put it on there. Alright. 3094 connection, and we're going to put it in that COM connection there as well. You can see it's going to have a couple of slots there, and one of them is going to be closed, and that'll tell you how you're supposed to put it in. And I have 3 smaller cables here to reset the lights and the power switch, which all can be found on top of the case as well. So it's all going to go here. It's going to be labeled reset, power switch, and an LED. Okay, so that is for so far we have the memory, fan, the connections to the ports on the case, and the CPU, and for the motherboard. So on the next part we're going to deal with the video card, the wireless network card, and the hard drive, as well as the DVR drive.